You're setting up your business and you want info@yourbusiness.com and sales@yourbusiness.com email addresses, but you don't want to pay for the 2 extra Google Workspace user licenses. That makes sense, and that's what email aliases are for. It's an alternative address that delivers emails to your main inbox. Just a note, aliases only work for one person. We're going to go to the admin console at admin.google.com. Click Directory and then Users. Click on your account and on the left-hand side, find alternative email addresses. Type the part before the @ sign. So for example, for info@yourbusiness, just type info. Repeat for sales @ support @ or whatever your own business needs. Click Save, and that alias is immediately active. But receiving email is only half of the puzzle. If you want to be able to reply using the same info@ email address, then you need to set up the Send As feature in Gmail. So go to Gmail, click the gear icon, and then See All Settings. Go to the Accounts or Accounts and Import tab. Under Send Mail As, click Add another email address. Type your alias, info@yourbusiness.com. Leave Treat as an alias checked and click Next. Now, when you compose a new email, click the From field and then the drop-down list. You'll see your alias is there and you can select it so that any email can be sent from either your main email address or the alias one. If it's not there immediately, wait a couple of minutes and hit the refresh button in Gmail. If you want every reply to default to the alias, go back to Accounts and find the When Replying to a Message setting. Select Reply from the same address the message was sent to. One last tip, you can set up a label and a filter to keep your inbox organized. Go to Settings, then See All Settings, and then the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click Create a new filter. Type Delivered to, and then your alias address. Click Create Filter. Check Apply the label and create a new label called Info. Click Create Filter. And now emails sent to your info alias will automatically sort themselves.